Hello traders, Khalid with you. Let's have a short video analysis on Bitcoin and see what possible scenarios we could have. We can see here on the chart that during the weekend we had price reaching around the 99,000, and this move down was mainly supported by the fear in the markets due to the escalations that took place where the US took part in bombing Iran and in the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. The market impact was not very big. As we can see, just Bitcoin made this drop, and even looking at oil and gold whenever the markets opened, we had a gap up, but it was not a very strong price movement and significant. So technically speaking, let's see what possible scenarios we could have. Personally, I will be looking to at the 99,000. If I see price moving down, making similar price action to what we have here, like a double bottom, I will be looking to target again these candle highs at the 105. Before reaching the 105, I will watch out for the price action at this level. In case we are able to break higher, I will be looking to my next target, the 105. Let's draw here a zone. It's not a major one, but we should draw it. Okay, reaching the 105 as well, I will monitor the price action. If I see any rejection here, any double top, or any like the bullish candles getting weaker, and I start to see more bearish candles, this could be sign that buyers are not in control anymore, and we could see something like this once again. What if we broke below the 99,000? Personally, I would like to see a break below the here approximately this level, below the 98,650, 98,700. The next candle opening making an upper wick, and I need an intraday, a 1 hour or 4 hour candle closing below this level to confirm. And my next target will be here, these candle lows at the 93,500 approximate. And for the last scenario I see on Bitcoin, breaking these candle highs. Closing above these candle highs, my next target will be the previous all-time high. Keeping in mind the price reaction we could see here at the 110,250. Okay, reaching this level, just watch out for the price action because several times here rejected. So watch out for the reaction here that you could have here. In case you do not have any rejection, your target could be the previous all-time high, reaching the 112. And reaching the 112, if we don't have any supportive, any fundamental catalyst supporting the move up, we could see something like this, just profit-taking move and price moving down once again. The final note is that what if we reach this level? If we broke and retested and reached the 93,250, 93,000, it is a very important level. Zooming out, we can see several reactions took place. So I will monitor the price action at this level, looking for any technical formation indicating reversal, double bottom, inverse head and shoulders, any technical formation. So I could see something doing like this. Okay guys, that's it for Bitcoin. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and we will see you soon.